But with the AutoDot Pro from Glue Dots International, productivity is accelerated. Providing automated hands-free operation, the AutoDot Pro can apply up to 60 glue dots per minute, one at a time or several at once, on nearly any surface, so application is fast and easy. The AutoDot Pro makes short work of a variety of jobs in several industries: manufacturing, assembly, packaging, printing, and even direct mail. Any job requiring an ongoing use of adhesives can be accelerated by Glue Dots and the AutoDot Pro. To use the AutoDot Pro, simply position the item on the nose plate, and the AutoDot Pro quickly applies the right amount of adhesive every time. A photo eye automatically advances the glue dots, so the AutoDot Pro is ready for the next item. Speed controls allow you to determine the operating speed. The high-capacity internal winding system holds a roll of 4,000 glue dots, ensuring less downtime and no mess to clean up. The AutoDot Pro applies versatile glue dots or glue lines adhesives in a variety of sizes, shapes, strength levels, and thicknesses. With its multiple threading options, the AutoDot Pro can be set up for specific applications of various sized and shaped items. It can be used for single or multiple dot application to soft or flexible items, or a two-person operation. To load the AutoDot Pro, simply remove the cover, place a glue dots roll onto the supply reel, and thread the liner through the rollers that correspond to the intended operation. Then, pull the liner through to the rewind reel. Replace the cover. Thread the fasteners and orient the AutoDot Pro in either a horizontal or upright position to accommodate your workspace preferences. Now it's ready to work and make any production line more efficient. When it comes to applying adhesives quickly, easily, and efficiently, nothing matches the AutoDot Pro. Arrange a demonstration and see how the AutoDot Pro can accelerate productivity in your facility.